Just a little Thursday Workday update that I'm shooting on my cell phone because that's what I can manage with a broken arm. And one of my subscribers suggested I do this, and I'm very grateful. So this is what the garden looks like today, January 6th, I think.
All around?
Yes, all around. That tree hasn't had any water in a while. So the plan for today is we are taking out these peas because they failed to thrive. And I'm tired of waiting on a handful of dinky little peas. Eric is going to clip these back to the ground today, and we're going to put in some more pea seed. Why not? I can't cook, so these onions were sprouting in my kitchen. So Eric is going to plant the tops over here in the bed beside the herbs and lavender and toy onions. So it's empty?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the big job today. We are cleaning out the rain barrels because rain is finally maybe going to come this week. Rain barrels just get this sludge built up. Basil really came back after that big pruning. And this, I think it's Echeveria succulent, is really blooming. We chopped back the mint, chopped back the Egyptian spinach. Last year I did not keep the spinach. This year I thought, well, maybe I'll just keep that plant and see if leaves come out again. This succulent's kind of past its full bloom now. Here's part of my succulent garden.
This is the bottom.
Right. Eric wants to clean the rain barrels out in the driveway. Just a couple more new additions to my garden. I had been wanting garden ornaments since I went to England, and Eric was at a property that they were demoing and picked up this bunny crossing. I love this. And some really pretty rocks. This is carved with a bunny in it. Must have been a bunny lover. And just some other pretty rocks. I love rocks. Check out these Meyer lemons on this tiny little tree. So productive. Check out my garlic. Now, my hummingbird is looking for the feeder. It's right over there. I don't know if you can see it. There it goes.
Morning.
Morning, how are you? Oh, surviving. Yeah, this has to be cleaned out. It's got mold in it. So I'm going to have Eric clean that out and put some fresh syrup in it. Eric just got the hummingbird feeder cleaned out, and I had a little syrup in the refrigerator that was ready to go. So it's already been visited by my resident hummingbird, or hummingbirds. look.
Looking good. Oh, dirty, but
Oh,
everything
wow.
is going.
It's so dirty. Yeah. Okay. Look at the size of this lemon. That is the size of a small grapefruit. I can't touch it and show you the scale with my hand because I only have one hand to hold my cell phone. These are happy that this is blooming again. There's a bee. Let's hunt for a bee. There's a bee. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. There you are. All right, let's check out the inside. Woo, clean as a whistle. Look at that. Ready for rain. We are ready for rain, right?
Monday. Oh, Tuesday.
Tuesday? Oh, I
Something
hope.
like that.
Okay. Close it up. Yep.
Like it.
Mm-hmm. So here is the meager fruit harvest today. A few scrawny guavas and the last of the figs. And this has to be my biggest disappointment. We took out all those pea vines and this is what's left. These are all cleaned out and ready to receive the precious gift of rain as soon as we are blessed to have it. So I just pruned back the peppers that I kept 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. And just going to see if they bounce back when it gets warmer. What's easy?
See, you need to push this here. See? Eh?
Right.
Eh?
Uh-huh.
Eh?
What I'm wondering is if it's going to be full of leaves. Oh, okay.
See? It's
Wow,
coming.
it's all wadded up. How on earth does that catch water? Oh,
Dirty.
I see.
See?
Oh, yeah.
Catch the water and then go in the little hole.
I see.
See? There's nothing here, but I need to clean this hole.
Yeah. Okay.
See?
Nothing came
Nothing,
yet? Okay.
no.
Oh, well, that's good then.
No, but we need to hack to clean it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
Eric got all the old peas out, and the last little thing of the day is he's putting more pea seeds in of a different variety. Okay, we needed to level this one because it was 2 inches leaning. Got a lot of overflow containers. I'm optimistic that we can get a nice big rain and get them all filled up. Okay, I'm exhausted. Hey there, pretty girl. Lincoln. Hi. Meow.